Welcome to GROB Technology Evening in Chennai.
Today is our grand technology evening along with our partners SCHUNK, ZEISS and ZOLLER. We all make one package. Also GROB coming closer to 100 years now. So this is a grand event that we are going to make it together for the evening.
Today we have customers from all the domains, basically from the automotive, aerospace, die mold and precision engineering. So we are all collaborating together and discussing and trying to explore the best solution which the group can offer.
Here in Chennai, it's a big hub for high precision machining and aerospace, as well as for automotive. That's why we are here to increase our market awareness and to get the right context from the right people in the right time, because India is getting bigger and bigger in terms of production facilities and in terms of high-end machining.
SCHUNK, a family-owned German company, is proud to be a part of this event with its technology innovations in tool holding, work holding, gripping technology and automation technology. SCHUNK India is looking forward to a successful evening with a lot of meaningful discussions and a very productive exchange of ideas.
Here we are going to discuss about the latest trend and the technology in the industries coming to the India, and where there are a lot many different business verticals also coming over here. So we are now here to discuss and reveal that the technology, and we can make ourselves make sure that we are going to deliver a better solution to the industry requirement.
Today's experience was very good. It was a clear presentation by GROB, SCHUNK, ZOLLER and ZEISS. We really hope to collaborate with them.